JM Roofing, we're gonna attempt to repair this roof. As you can see, there's a lot of brittle already. Shingle. This is the shingle that is damaged, so we're gonna try to remove it as careful. But you can tell that there's a lot of fiberglass, a lot of granular loss. So there is not much to do to protect this shingle. We're gonna have to lose them out first, carefully. We have to remove some of the other shingles on top in order to get this piece out. There's some nails. That needs to come up. Got another nail right there. So this first shingle, there's one more nail right there. First shingle's coming off. You can see ripping everywhere. So this makes this shingle non-repairable. Just wanted to show you how brittle it is. So we're gonna stop the attempt to repair right there.